Next topic natin is about mathematical model for control system. The control system can be represented with a set of mathematical equations known as mathematical model. These models are useful for analysis and design of control system. Analysis of control system means finding the output when we know the input and mathematical model. Design of control system means finding the mathematical model when we know the input and the output of the signal. So sa previous discussion natin, ito. So na-discuss na natin to sa unang discussion natin. So ito yung function ng sample ng mga function ng control system. So for x-axis, ito yung voltage in, and yung y-axis is the voltage out. So yung output. Tapos yung t is yung x-axis, ayan yung mga input. Ayan, x. So for specific voltage input, so example 3, so may corresponding siya na output. So ayan, ito. So sa 6 na voltage in, may corresponding siyang output. Ito. So sa 9, may corresponding siyang output. Ito. So kung i-connect mo yan, so yan is magre-represent yan ng function. So for a specific voltage in, meron siyang corresponding na output. So meron siyang response na output. So for a specific voltage in. So ngayon, i-discuss natin yung mga function. So yung mga function na yan, so mga sample function. So may tatlong klase tayo. Meron tayong tatlong klase ng mathematical model. So meron tayong differential equation model, transfer function model, and state space model. So for differential equation model is a time domain. So pag sinabing time domain, yung function niya is in terms of t. So ito, yung t, yung x-axis, yung function niya is a function of t. So time domain, mathematical model of control system. So follow steps for differential equation model. So meron tayong steps. So number 1 is apply basic laws to the given control system. Number 2 is get the differential equation in terms of input and output by eliminating the intermediate variable. So meron tayong example. So meron tayong RLC circuit. So sa DC analysis, so familiar na din kayo dito sa RLC circuits. Saka sa differential equation. So sa differential equation, na-discuss din tong RLC circuits. So itong mathematical model na to is the same lang yung derivation ng RLC circuit sa differential equation. So may mga sample tayo ng mga RLC circuit sa differential equation. So puntahan nyo doon sa sa playlist ko ng differential equation. So consider the following electrical system as shown in the following figure. The circuit consists of resistor, inductor, and capacitor. All these electrical elements are in series. The input voltage, ito, applied to the circuit is VI or voltage initial, and the voltage across the capacitor is VO. So ngayon, applying KVL. So applying KVL, so voltage in is equals to the voltage drop across the circuit. So ano ba yung voltage drop? Ito. Yan. So voltage in is equal to voltage drop across the circuit. Yan. So VI is equals to R times I. So R times I, yan yung voltage dito across sa resistor. Then plus LDI. So LDI is voltage drop across the inductor, and VO is the voltage across the capacitor. So substitute the current passing through the capacitor. So since series circuit, so ang current niya is the same. Same lang ang mga current passing dito. Current R is the same as IL and IC. So pag-isa na natin, so isang current lang na I. So I is equals to capacitance. Ayan ito, E is coulomb, C is unit of coulomb, times derivative of V out over dt, or change in voltage across the capacitor with respect to T. So ang next equation mo is magiging VI, then R. So times C dV dt. So yung I is same lang kasi series. So ito yan yung I. Then L, so ito LDI dt, sabi dito LDI dt, so ito is the derivative mo. So pag derivative mo yan, ang lalabas is constant, then second derivative. So LC second derivative with respect to T, kasi first derivative na to, so derivative mo pa to is second derivative. So C is yung coulomb na charge is constant, so copy mo lang yan, then the second derivative plus VO. So bali ang ginamit natin na reference current is ito, current across dito sa capacitor. So simplifying, so alisin natin tong LC na to, yung inductor, then the charge na coulomb. So divide mo lang, so may siyang second derivative of V with respect to T plus RL times derivative of V with respect to T plus 1 over LC initial VO is equals to 1 over LC. Ito is output output is equals to 1 over LC VI. So itong equation na to is second order differential equation. So itong equation na to is naka time domain, kasi meron siyang kasi naka with respect to T yung equation niya. So meron tayong T sa equation, meaning naka time domain yung differential equation. So meron akong mga sample ng RLC circuit sa differential equation. So pwede nyong puntahan yung puntahan yung differential equation circuit ng RLC circuit sa differential equation. So, pwede nyong puntahan kasi same lang yung pag-derive niya. So, differential equation na naka-time domain or any time t yung sa differential equation.